it going? My name is Timba Heat, and in this video, we're going to be learning a brand new move called El Matador. Without further ado, ¡que comience la fiesta! Alright, mi gente, straight into it. Let's start out with Somotuno. Here we go. 5, 6, Somotuno. Y 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Una más. Y 1, 2, 3. El Matador. 6, 7. I'm going to cross my left leg on the 1. Bring my right foot back on the 2. Cross in front with that left leg on the 3. Now bring that left leg forward on 4. Cross behind with the right foot on 5. Bring it back in place in 6. And then cross one last time on 7. And hold that on 8. And then Somotuno on 1, 2, 3, y 5, 6, 7. All right, let's try that one more time. Nice and slow. El Matador. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Allí nada más. Hey, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm if you haven't done so already. This helps me in the channel tremendously so I can reach out to others and share the love of dance. Muchas gracias, and back to the video. Alright guys, so the main thing for this movement is honestly making sure that you're tapping rather than placing. Let me show you what I mean. If I'm here, I might cross on my 1 here, going back on the 2. If I place the weight, well, what happens is when I cross in front here, momentum is going to pull me back like so. And I'm going to lose my whole control of that movement. I want to make sure that I'm tapping. So 1, 2, tap on that 3. So that I can bring that weight forward to place. Then I can tap with that right foot on the 5, right? Back 6, then bring it 7 and 8 in place and hold, right? Now the hands, when it comes to the Matador stance, you can pull it up like so, or you can bring this right hand behind your back like so. There's no right or wrong, it's preference, all right? So let's try this in halftime with music, and then we'll do that full speed. Here we go. 5, 6, Somotuno. Y 1, 2, 3. El Matador. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Double time. 1. El Matador. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. One more basic. El Matador. Y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Allí nada más. All right, mi gente, this will conclude it for today. Thank you so much for joining me. I truly appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe for more educational, entertaining videos, and check out this cool playlist of all the previous moves that we learned. Muchas gracias. My name is Timba Heat. This is Timba Heat Dance Company. Keep dancing, my friends. Y hasta la próxima.